I'm Bob Hallmark in Gilmer today. I'm at the Upshur County downtown area. I was in court this morning for Commissioner's Court where a number of things were on the agenda and discussed, but a special moment came up today. We're going to show you some pictures of that. Former Sheriff Anthony Betterton came forward and was able to actually get his old service firearm, which is kind of a time-honored tradition in law enforcement, and he joins us right now. I guess, Anthony, what was that like for you? I know that this is something that I guess a lot of law enforcement officers who retired like to do. What was that moment like for you there?
It was a special moment, and I didn't know anything about it till the last Commissioner's Court meeting, whenever the sheriff was trying to get another one situated, and I said, wait a minute, what about mine? So Larry and I, the Sheriff Webb and I, got together, and he found my service revolver and got it ready for me, and I bought it.
Okay. Now you're going to see some pictures here that I'm going to show you, some old pictures of me and Anthony together.
Oh, no.
In the old days. You were sheriff for a long, long time.
16 years.
We worked together many, many times on many cases.
Right.
I guess it becomes part of who you are. That service firearm became like an old friend to you.
Right. It's nice, and like I said, and he's got it designed and changed on it and put some stuff on it that wasn't on it, and it's going to be basically now it's probably going to be more of a collection item than the service revolver.
So you don't intend to fire it?
No.
Okay.
I say that. I'm not going to fire it, but I'm not going to try to.
Now, Anthony has not been idle all these years. You actually turned to being a judge.
Yes, I'm a JP now in Upshur County, and I'm in my 5th year of that.
Okay. How do you enjoy that, by the way?
I love it. I mean, I like it, but, like I said a while ago in front of the sheriff himself, I like my old job better, but this job right here is doing great.
Is there some satisfaction for you in knowing that 16 years as sheriff, and you turned your department over, and it has kept the same kind of practices, the same kind of integrity, exactly the same kind of things that you did when you were sheriff?
Right. And like I said, Sheriff Webb's done a good job, and he's done real good with the people, and he's done pretty good with his employees and everything, so he's doing a good job.
Do you miss it any?
Heck yeah. I sure do.
All right, and I'm guessing you look back on it and you say, it was probably maybe the best and worst times in your life, because you probably had ups and downs and things like that, but that service weapon was always there.
Yes, and it was there, and like I said, I really appreciate what he's done with that. I really appreciate the way he's got it designed and everything.
All right. Hey, I appreciate it. Thanks so much, Anthony.
And by the way, you need to tell the people we started out working as investigator. Remember?
That's right.
Instead of the sheriff.
That's right. Oh, that's right. He just jarred. See, I'm getting old now too. He just jarred a memory here. It wasn't Sheriff Anthony Betterton at the time.
It was investigator Anthony Betterton. That's right.
A lot of years.
Then it was sheriff, and then we did the stuff as sheriff. Yes.
Gotcha. Okay.
All right.
But I remember I did work with you before you were sheriff.
Yeah, that's
okay,
right.
That's right. I'm guessing it's been a good life for you.
It has. It's been excellent.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Anthony.
Thank you.
All right. And we'll have more on this story tonight on KLTV 7 News. For KLTV WebXtra, I'm Bob Hallmark.